In front of me is NUBIA Focus Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to find an app called Files and launch it. If you don't have it already on your device, go into Play Store and download Files by Google from Google Developer. Then hit Allow, select Continue and click on those three lines at the top left corner. Following that, select Clean, hit Clean under Junk Files and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!